Hello guys, in this video I will explain to you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 for free. First, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. First, we will go to Partition C and create a new folder and name it Office 2024. Next, we will go to Google and search for Office Deployment Tool. We will go to the first link. Then we click on Download. Then we go to the tool's download location. Then we double-click on the tool. If a window appears, click Yes. This window will appear. We check the box and click Continue. Here I will select the Office folder that I created to extract the tool files into. The tool files were successfully extracted. I will now go to the Office folder that I created on Partition C. I will now delete this file. Now we'll go to Google again and search for Office Customization Tool. We will go to the first link. Here I will specify whether to download Office programs using a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. To determine that, we will right-click on this PC icon, and we go to the Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. We will click here to select the version of Office we will download. Here we will choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024, Volume License. We will scroll down. Here we will select the Office programs we want to download. As for me, I will download Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. Then I will click on Next. Next, we will select the language of the Office programs. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then I will click on Next. If you have previous versions of Office installed on Windows, leave this option enabled. I'm going to disable it because I don't have any previous versions of Office. Then I will click on Next. Here I will press Finish. Next, I will click on Export. Here I will specify the Office Open XML formats. Here I will check this box. Do not change this name. Now click on Export. We will now go to the file download location. We will move this file to the Office folder that we created on Partition C. We will now click here to get the file path. Now we copy the file path. Next, we will go to Windows Search and type CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. Here we will type CD, then a space, then right-click to paste the path to the Office folder we copied. Then we press Enter. There is a command that we will copy and paste here to begin the process of downloading and installing Office programs. You will find this command in the description box. Then we press Enter. The process of downloading and installing Office programs will now begin, and the time it takes depends on your internet speed. The process of downloading and installing Office programs has been completed. Now I will click on the Windows logo to preview the downloaded Office programs. I will now run the Word program. Here I will click on Accept. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.